Let's start now and kill those noobs. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Boom, bitch. Die, noob. Too smooth. No! Oh my god, that was... Yeah. Watch. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, serious, serious. Pam, 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 pam. See? He died. That was easy. Die. See? That was the first. I killed the first. Boom. Rampage. Boom. Boom. Let's go, let's go, let's go kill this guy. And kill this guy. Boom. Easy. Salado. Die. Don't come to me. I'm gonna kill you all. No! No! Oh my god. Ah. Back. Look at what is. Look at that high score. No, that high score. Come on. That's my. Die! You will never want to God. With this question mark guy. These eyes. Balls. My balls. Die! Die! No, die! Die! Die, cocksucker! Die! You'll never beat God. Oh, that's God, that's God. Help, 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 help. Oh, thank you, bro. Oh my. Damn it. Let's go beat another god. Let's beat those noobs. These noobs. Oh, these noobs. Watch. Damn. Look at this. Boom. He died. Oh, Salado. Oh, this is. Oh. Why? Oops. Fuck. Oh! I killed him. Omega, you will die. Look at this guy. Die. Clean. Bam. Oh, the god. Die. Oh my god. Rampage. Boom. Look at my score. Look at that. So awesome. Die. You'll never beat the god. Die. See that? Boom. Hell out of my face. Bitch. Die. Clean this, clean that. Clean this guy. Looks like I'm cleaning the house. Boom. Die. You will never beat me. I am the god.
Okay, let's talk about formations. Point two, siege in the back, archers at mid, infantry up front. I wish I had cavalry.
Nah, shut the fuck up. Oh my god. Let's go. Rampaging. Look at this guy. Oh, this is the one. After did I killed. Die. Boom. We clean him. Damn, nigga. How on my face. You should don't stay with me. You should clean. Die. Oh, wait. So, escape. I thought you were gonna kill me. But you can't. Because I am the god. Look at that. Yamero! Oh, we're almost at the flame guy. Lights out. Die. Boom. Chaboom. Oh my god. Flat. Wait, how much we did? Survive for 100 seconds in. Oh, how about this guy? Let's score 5,000. Single game. How? at this guy. Oh my god. Oh wait, that's oh. This guy. Boom, die. Oh, this guy, boom, and this guy, boom, die, and this guy, boom, die. Another one. Oh. Another. Ah. Damn you, you freaking ads, you son of a bitch, you son of a bitch. Let's go. Oh, look at that high score. Too small. And let's go beat them all. Oh. This guy is good. Oh my god. He's so tricky. He's so tricky. He's too good. Look at this guy. Chill. Oh. Let's go serious. Another one. Ah, damn it. Another one, boys. Mother dear, but just Snoop Dogg. Another one. Die. Oh, I thought this is gonna kill me. No, just you and I. Let's go. Another. Ah, my nigga. Another. Ah. Oh. That guy. He's God. I'll die. Oh my god, he's so good. Vlad again. It's Vlad. Oh, come on. Back from the dead, bitches. Get out of my jungle. Get out of here. Get out of my... There. Oh my god. That's the one. Wait. Oh. Another one. Oh, hell out of my face. Another one. Another one, clean. Get out of here. Get out. Should never stay here. Just quit. Go home. Get out. Oh. I'll take you, Mr. Rainbow. Let's go if we can get more mini kill. Let's go. I need to beat my high score. And this is done. Recording. I need to beat it. My nigga. Die. What is my high score? Damn it. I hate this ads. What is my high score? 23 kill. And score. Nah. Let's go. Need to be quiet. Oh, help! Yamero! Help! That was even not close. Oh. Die, motherfucker, die. Oh my god. Come here! I'm playing it now. She done it! Let's go serious! Die! The first one! Oh, I killed him. Die. 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 Oh my god, he's too good. He got good reflexes. Die. 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 That was... Die! 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 Yeah! Yamero! We're cleaning them all. Die. Never stay here. Hell on my face. Hell on my face. Hell on my face. Never stay here. Oh! 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 Run! No! Oh! Yeah! Alright guys, hope you enjoyed, leave a like, comment down below, and see you next week. Peace.